We're having some really good weather today, so we're going to section off a little area because the steers have been here for about 2 days now, and they seem to be pretty calm. Give them a little bit of grass to get into. Since we're going to be around, we'll be able to keep an eye on them this way and just give them a little bit more room, see how they act. And there goes Rachel taking beans over here to Cargill for us. So how we have this sectioned off is the spare charger's plugged into the wall there and hooked into the fence coming out here into the little pasture. So we got the fence hooked up, the charger's on. I'm gonna open up this gate and give them the area and we'll see how they do. But this will give them plenty of room to play and run around and just get used to the electric fence system that we use. Just get them out and get them used to their surroundings, the area. What I'll do is probably leave them in here 4 or 5 days in this littler lot, and then I'll open up the whole front pasture to them so then they can share a fence with the steers that we've had. They'll get down there, get nose to nose, basically meet each other, get everything set up that way, and then we'll open it all up and let them run together after a week or 2 of that. Make sure everybody's getting along. Be a little bit easier all winter then when they're all together, and just one area to drop hay at for them. One thing I'm having to do is split this water here. You can kind of see the electric wire over top of it. These calves, for some reason, they just want to stand in the water and get it pretty dirty. So I put it like that, and one would just stand there, and he got cracked by the fence. So I'm hoping this will keep him out of it. Well, these guys seem to be doing great out here. So we're gonna give them a couple hours. We'll come back over and check on them a little bit later. And like I checked their fence earlier, everything said it was working good. Walking down here to feed the ewes, I could hear the fence shorting out. I walked over here, I saw it shorting out there on that piece of wire about every 30 seconds or so. So I'll unhook the fence and fix that here in just a few minutes. That way we know we have good current going through it. Well, the first day's gone good for them. They're out still, been enjoying the outside, rolling around in the grass, running around, enjoying some room. Seem to be respecting the fence, which is good. I got their water. You can kind of see it right here over my shoulder. I'll check it, top it off again tonight. We have to supplement them water. Normally I'd have the automatic water up here for them, but we have to use that with the steers due to the fact that we still have a dried up creek with really no good water in it right now. So they're using it down there off the feeding floor. So we'll do it with this tub and just refill it every day. With the weather, it's not so bad because they're really not drinking that much water, so it'll work out pretty good.